Hello, creative mind. Welcome home. I'm Survival, and today I'll be showing you how you can make text animation using your mobile phone. Now, what need do we have of text animation? Text animation actually beautifies our video making or video production. Some videos like promotional videos, you may not necessarily need to show something like people video something. With text and animation alone, you can make amazing, beautiful promotional videos. And some other videos like a normal video adverts, still promotional videos, you can add up text animations to spice it up. Text animation actually plays a very important role in making your video to look classic, to look professional, and adding beauty to your video. Text animation is actually very important, most especially when you are starting your video. Having something like a text just popping up like that without being animated makes the video a kind of boring. So text animation adds beauty to your video. So now let's head to the app. We'll be using the Legend app. This is the Legend Text Animation Animator app. This is what it looks like. Okay. So open it up. Now there are several things you can do using this Legend app, though all of them are geared towards animation. Here we are having simple intro. Simple intro deals with just text alone, just text. With simple intro, you can animate text that has something like lines and the likes. And we have stylish intro. With stylish intro, you can add images, deals with text, images, lines, and the likes. And then the other one, which is this, let me show you. It deals with text and just text. You can also add your own images to it. So let's start with the simple one. Actually here, if you have an already saved work um on your app, maybe if you've done one or two works, you see it here. This is the video section, this one is the GIF section. You can actually save your work as a video or as a GIF. So let's start. I'll click on this play icon. So let's write this is an animation class. This is an animation class. This is a text. This is the text animation class. So you click on the good here. So here there are several things you see here. Let me show you. Very important. With this, you'll be able to add a video as a background to your text animation. With this, you'll be able to add pictures as a background to your text animation. And then with this, you'll be able to select the options, the background options you have in the app. Okay. The other one is delete, which I believe is self-explanatory. So let's click on this, the video background. So you see all the things you are seeing here, they are all videos. They are all video. When you click any of them, it will serve as a background to this text animation class that we wrote here. When you click on this, it's pictures. I believe you can see it. They are all pictures. You can select anyone and use it as your background. Okay. Most importantly, here also you can also use a live shot. Once you click on this, it will open up your camera and you'll be able to take a live shot and use it as your background. Then this one, the play here, it will give you a lot of options. to give you a lot of options on how to animate your text. Okay, this is one option. This is this one. You see it? Okay. When you click on this, believe you can see it. This is the style of its animation. So you can check all this out. That is how it works. Okay, then again there are other things I will need to show you again, which is here. These are the lower part of the screen here. It deals with the color of the text and the color of the background. Believe you can see the color now. It's changing the colors. So I believe you are seeing it. Okay, this one deals with the colors and then this one deals with the style of the animation. So test all of them out and see what you can do with it. So after that, to download or to save your video, you click on this. With that you'll be able to download. So I just click on it. I have two options: to save as a GIF or to save as a video. I like saving mine as video, so I'll save as video. So with this, it's saving my animation as MP4. So that is how you do that. So that is all about it. The second one I'll be showing you is how to create simple intro. So this is the simple intro. I just clicked on it. It's very simple. It deals only with text and possibly lines and objects. So that is it. This is the trending one. You need your internet connection to download any one you like. Okay, this is it. As many as you like. So now let me start with a simple one. Let me click on this. Okay. The next thing, you need to click on edit. Actually, this app is a bit technical. It will take you some time for you to master it. It's very simple and it's also a bit technical. You need some time for you to master it. So that is it. So the first one here is style. So it takes care of your animation. That is how it comes out and the likes. How it comes out. Then we have a second style. A second style is where you can change the entire animation. As you can see on the video, we have an animation here. This one is just like, we like call it a globe that is gradually turning. So but with this second style here, you'll be able to change that entirely. Let's take a look. You see the globe has disappeared and it is something completely different. I believe you can see it. So I believe you've seen it. It has changed completely. That's why I say this app is a bit technical. With time you master it. So let's go back. I'm going back. So I'm reselecting the globe again. We'll be going back to editing. I'll click on edit. So but my advice to you while using this app, most especially this section of the app, is this. Once you open it up, just go straight to the text and customize it. Click on the text. The text we are having here is your text. So I'll click on it and then edit it. I'll edit it. Let me call it tutorial. So let me call it tutorial. So that's it. It will show tutorial there. So if you want to get most out of this app, just once you open it up, go edit the text. Once you anyway, but I will advise you to go through it and play around with it. But when you want to make any serious work, any of the animation that you are okay with, that you are comfortable with, once you open it, just edit the text and then save it. Otherwise, you end up messing up you end up messing up the animation. So this one deals with the color. With that, you can change the colors. This one deals with the background. Okay. This one deals with the animation, you can check all those things out, and then setting. I might not be going into details. You can check those things out yourself. So having done that, the next thing you do is this. Sorry, the next thing will be this. You click on save. So that is it. You save. So resolution, I like saving mine 1080. So it's saving my video. Okay, so that is it. My video is completely saved, successfully saved. The next thing I'll click on the home icon. That is the home icon here to take me back to home. So the next one I'll be introducing you to is the stylish intro. That is the one I love using, and I use it most of the time for my videos. Like I said, if you want to get the most out of this app, actually for the sake of learning, you can try to tweak any of the templates. You can tweak it, change things, but once you want to do any professional work, I will advise you, once you open a template, just go straight to the text, edit the text to personalize it and save. Otherwise, you end up messing the whole thing up. So this is it. This one deals with text and images depending on what you want. Like these ones, you can change the background images, and then you can edit the text. So here now, let me take this one. This is my blog. Once you open it up, you can actually do a lot of things here. The first one, this section that I just opened now, is in charge of this section. It deals with the resolution, that is more like the canvas, that is what it does. Okay, this other one is about the layers, is the layer section, where you can see the individual elements that makes up the design. Okay, this one deals with the background, this one deals with the images, and then this one deals with shapes. Okay, so let's go back to the layer. So this is it. So I want to edit this my blog. I'll click on my blog again. I'll click on edit text. Click on edit text. So with that, let me call it animations. So that is it. I'll click on done. I'll click on done again. I'll click on export, and I'll save as video. So that's it. So I'll go back to the home. Okay, I'll go to create stylish intro. Let me check for another one that I would like. Okay, let me click on this. I can also change it. I'll click on the text, best travel location. I'll click on edit text. So let me just call it e-commerce. Let me just write it as e-commerce web design. Okay, so that is it. The search icon is actually touching my text, and I'm not so happy with it. So this app, you might go to the text size and it will just close up. So let me change the font to see if I will get a better one. Okay, I think I'm okay with this e-commerce web design. So this search icon is not touching my text, and I'm okay with it. So having done that, you click on done. You click on done again till you get to where it gives you the option to export. So this is the export option. So I'll export the video. I'll export it and then I will save it as a video. So that is how you go about it. Let's take a final example. Um, let's take a final example. Okay, let me go with this. Let's take a final example. Let me go with this. Okay, so this is it. So this one, I want to change the image. I just clicked on image. This is the option for the photo. This is it. So I'll click on it to change the picture. Okay, I'll click on this. So that is it. So with this now, I'm having my picture there. I'll click on this Valentine. I want to edit it. I'll click on edit text and then I'll edit this Valentine there. Let me just write it tutorial S creativity tutorial. Okay, so I'll leave it as that. So that's it. I'll click on done and done again. So I would have loved to remove this image here, but this legend app, it crashes. It easily crashes. Maybe on trying to do that, the app will just crash. So that's it. After that, I'll click on this export. Okay, and with that, I'll export the video. So that is how you make use of this legend app for your text animation. I will advise you to go through it and then come up with your own animation. In short, to come up with a better animation, the what you have to do is this: you need to write out a script of the video animation that you want to do. Like I'm having mine here. My script is learn amazing skills you can do using your phones, e-commerce, web design, mobile app development, animations, video editing, graphics design, 3D wall logo mockup. Learn from the experts, learn from survivors' creativity. Call us today on my phone number and then my website. That is the script I'm having here. And with this script, I will come up with animations using this Legend app. That is when I look at my script, I will be checking out for animations that will fit into each of the words or sentence or clause or what have you. So with that, I'll be able to come up with plenty animations which I will then edit in InShot and come up with a very nice video. So now this is not the end of this class. I will advise you to go further with our training on video editing, because the animation I made here is what I will further process and edit in InShot, after which I will come up with an amazing promotional video. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and see you next class. God bless you.